All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. We're going to speak about, as you can see right there, Atapharoy Bygrave. Now, I want to say congratulations to Bygrave on his official senior call up to the Reggae Boyz squad for the next set of fixtures. Now, the question arises is, who is Atapharoy Bygrave? We're going to get into some of that details. We're going to also speak a little bit about his season and how his season is going as well. So before we do that, please guys, let's get into the YouTube stuff. Smashing that like button, hitting that subscribe button so we can carry on with the show. Definitely won't be a long video, just a short one. So, and again, congratulations Atapharoy Bygrave on your senior call up for the rest of the Reggae Boyz fixtures. Now, Bygrave personally, he plays for double holding, leading goal scorer in the Premier League right now. 8 goals in 9 games, 8 goals in 9 games and 2 assists. So basically his goal contribution is 10 in 9 games. He will be playing later this evening. I think it's Dumb Holding versus Umberlion. So more than likely he might pull away with the goal scoring margin. I have a few players behind him as well. Daniel Green. Oof. Quite a few. Werner Brown. Yeah, Andre Fletcher. Ben Bow. So quite a few persons behind him right now in the aspect of the goal scoring table. Back to back. I think he was in the team of the week back to back. The military good team of the week back to back. So he's doing good. He's doing good and he's performing week in, week out. Personally, I do think that he deserves this call up. As you can see when they made the local contingent camp, a lot of persons were asking why is that the leading goal scorer for the league is not involved in that camp, and definitely he has officially been rewarded with that. So I do think that this is a good thing for him. He will get the opportunity to play at a bigger stage. Still have a lot of things to fine tune, but I do think that the quality player that he is, he can provide something, can show some aspect of what he can deliver on that stage. Now, am I sure that he's at that level? I'm not sure, but until tested, we will know. And guess what? He will be tested because he will be in the squad. Then we will really know the level he's at. But from what I'm seeing so far this season, he has been prolific inside of the JPL. And many people have said, oh, it's just a JPL. Yeah. And we have so much players in the same JPL that we're speaking about right now. I.e. King. One of the best defenders we have seen in a long while. And guess where he plays? In the JPL. See? That's just how funny it is. But anyways, congratulations again, Atapharoy Bygrave, on your senior national call-up. I do hope that you progress on from this and open doors for a lot more opportunities for yourself and your family and your career specifically. So, in the same sense, people, I won't go any further. Hopefully, you guys smash the like button. Hopefully, you guys hit that subscribe button. It has been a good one. Military Guna TV. We are out. Boom.